Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your video background in CapCut PC. So super simple, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So for instance, I'm going to go to media and I'm just going to add the video and how to remove the background. You're just going to click on the clip, go to cutout, and select out the cutout to remove the background automatically. That's it. The background has been removed, and you can add more and button, and then you can resize this market. That's it. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.